Good evening, buggers, and welcome back to my channel. So, anyways, this I wanted to just this is a just on the spot vlog that I have started doing, and this was not planned. So, Diane told me you better vlog this. So, it was not in our plan to vlog it, but anyways, what we have come here to vlog is this beast here. This is the new one in our family that is coming in. Just look at her. Woo! This is her. This is the walk around I'm giving it. See, AX7. That's it. Here we go. Wow. So anyway, let's show you from inside. Jaden and Brianna here. We are all in white. All are in white. So this is the look. There's a lot of mosquitoes inside. This is the first look. The first look from inside. Yep, sunroof and all, everything is there. I'll show you in the daytime better. Yeah, this now we got late to come and collect the car. Yeah. So this is it. Wow. How is it?
Nice.
Looking nice?
Yeah, see with the lights.
Yeah, this is the lights on.
And the best part, the boot space is quite big. Like
Yeah, let's open it. Yeah.
Perfect for our luggage.
Yeah.
Rihanna? Jaden, come on.
How's it, Dad?
Nice, very nice.
Nice?
I always liked an XUV 700. Whenever I
Yeah.
see one on the road, I said, Michelle could get one. From long time back.
Yeah. Very nice. See the boot space also is so nice.
Yeah.
This is flat.
Yeah.
Ah.
And even I've sat at the back one, there's got leg space in
Yes,
this.
good space.
Other leg space.
This got more space than the Scorpio. This
Yeah.
got more space than the Scorpio also, no? Yeah. Very
I
nice.
sat very comfortably, like my height. How much is it?
Ah, this has AC vents at the back.
And this is a big drawback in the other.
This got AC vents at the back,
AC
no?
vents are not in this pocket, so when we sit there, it's very hot.
This got AC vents, cup holders. Everything is there. Very nice. And what's the color of this? What do you call this color?
Midnight black.
Midnight black, yeah, midnight black. So why I am not having all the information, because this is my mother-in-law's car. She's got it and she's not here only to take it. She's at work. So tomorrow is a holiday. So because of the holiday, they're going to close tomorrow at 2 o'clock. So we were planning to come tomorrow in the daytime and get it after 2. But she also can't get off from work, so she said y'all go and collect it. So we said, yeah, we'll do the honors. Why not? Yes? Come sit down. Oh, wow. Jaden, new car. Yes, Jaden. Nice. Nice, Puppo. Come on, Jasna. I'll also come. Wait, I'm coming from that side. Oh, wow. Just look at this interior. That's the memories. These are the memories, and this is the thud you can hear. Wow. See? This is the key holder cup.
Be careful.
These are the modes. And let's put the light on. Okay, so this is the light on. Okay, this is the SOS. Wait, Jaden, you don't touch. Oh, there. Now it's all is on. Okay. Jaden will keep farting around with all this. Jaden, wait. This doesn't have all the buttons. Oh shit. Anyways. Wow. See the dashboard and the screen. Yeah, the display screen is so nice. Huge screen it has got. Jaden is playing up. She's quite big, yeah. Quite at the back. This is can we open? Yeah, you go. There's the sunroof opening. Not this one. See, he's putting the fuel in. Come on. Let's go. He's going to put the fuel. It's petrol. There we go. He's got the cap. चलो वैसे भी हम यहाँ once this is done then we'll be going to get fuel put only in this. Nice. What is the difference between this and the AX7L?
So you've got Sony sound system, 12 speaker sound system with 12 seats and 360 surround camera.
That L has. And this which
This has a rear parking camera.
no which system this has?
This is the basic Mahindra system.
Mahindra
Every
system.
car gets.
Okay.
4 speaker, 4 totals.
Okay.
AX7.
This is AX7. Normal Mahindra's own. But they're good enough. They should have just, I'm thinking they should have cleaned it a little better. Maybe because this car catches too many these fingerprints. Baki to the car is full A+. See the alloys. Beautiful, yeah. 18. Yes, R18. बहुत अच्छे बढ़िया है. Yes, now we are just waiting for the last paperwork to get over. Then this baby is ours, and we are here at Mahindra and what is this place? Is Mohan something. I'm not aware of this bloody place properly. It's Mohan, this area. Let me just ask them. ये एरिया का नाम क्या है? मोहन? हाँ? मोहन Corporate. And this is Mahindra Concept something. The showroom's name is. Nice. This chap who's seen to a car is Krishna. And good, yaar. Everything is going well. See, here one more car is going. And this is under construction just now. They're going to do this up. They're doing up the whole showroom. You saw that car?
Very good looking.
Yeah, very nice.
See this
हाँ. अच्छा, tell him to give water यार. Bugger can't give us water only. Tell this bugger we need some water. What is going on? You want attention? Huh?
Whose car this is? Nana's car.
Nana's
You
car.
like it?
Nana's new car.
Which color is this?
Black.
He said pa.
Ah, achha, I thought he said black. He said black or something.
Color?
Black. Pa color. His grandfather. He's got a black Scorpio. That's why he calls that.
Black.
Any car which is black, he refer that as Pa. His grandfather's car. If he has to refer black color to anything, he'll say Pa ka, Pa ka.
He's pointing out that is like
Are you showing me Pa's car inside?
a Scorpio is looking at and saying it's Parka.
Ah.
And you're asking which color?
Which color?
Louder. Louder. We'll have to get a mic for you. Part of the talking family now.
Yes. Anyways, nice.
There he's
Now-
saying now he's saying.
He'll only say when the camera goes away. So they are getting it ready for the main reveal of the vehicle. भैया थोड़ा और नीचे कर दो आगे से.
And Andrew and I, we have already rehearsed this few months ago. I think at the rate we are going, you can call us for the delivery of your car. Even Jaden is experienced. We'll land up to celebrate the joyous occasion with.
We'll make a vlog also.
Yeah.
हाँ, so this car ना, this car I checked, it has MRF tires. I forgot to check that.
Water.
No MRF is this. Wanderer? No MRF is written on it.
Maybe MRF.
Oh, Wanderer is a part of it, yaar. Chalo. So she's completely set and their mom has come. Chalo, park there. Chalo, from that car, we'll transfer here. But she's never driven the car from the showroom to the house. Always they have bought it. So this time I am going to take it to the house. But not house first, we'll go fill fuel. Don't know if we'll go and get it blessed today or tomorrow. And chalo, baki to you'll keep seeing what is going to happen ahead. So
On
let's
my
get
channel.
on her channel. Anyways, you'll get to see all the paperwork now. We'll start what to show you all that. Once everything, the unveiling is going to happen, then I will show you. Or we'll show you. Chalo. Boom.
You brought on water.
Little paperwork is going on there.
Slowly.
And look at this, making a mess here. See, fountain is coming out from his mouth. Oh, this has bloody black blood. Alloys have come in this. Oh, I didn't know this. It was Scorpio. So they are all set. All are set. The final moments.
Much later.
Yes, you have to congratulate him also.
Many congratulations.
Thank you.
You're Jaden.
Yeah, that.
Look there.
We'll hold the phone now. Bhaiya. One, two.
Wait, he'll take it on the top. Now take it.
पीछे है कोई? पीछे है?
That jump over.
1, 2, 3. she's given. I've clicked. She's clicked a snap of it.
Click a picture.
Clicking and clicking.
Don't put your hand here.
Diane's face.
Never mind, I've got it.
Click, 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 click.
But you come give him your
Nothing happens. You all have done is the same thing. No, no, they'll click. Nothing happens. Sweets have been given to everyone, and they all have got a 500 rupee bill. Each bugger was given 500 rupees. They're very happy. भैया सब में बांटना ठीक है?
होली मुबारक हो आपको।
हाँ होली भी मुबारक सबको. Come on, he'll tell us what all has to be. Let's hear what he's saying. Mom, you have to press the button.
Daddy, you have.
हाँ. Open
Can't
full.
you just understand
हाँ.
that?
I'll just understand what he's saying. Mom, you also sit near the back.
Light. It won't start on red.
हाँ,
Once you press the clutch, it will turn green.
Green. That's the dead pedal there on the left.
Yes.
है ना?
But no, there's no dead pedal in this. This is not automatic.
No, this is not automatic. Like when you're tired, na, you can put your foot
On the
there
highways,
on the
you need to press
highway.
your left foot.
Because this has cruise control.
Okay.
So you need to put your leg somewhere na, when it's on cruise control. So that's where your feet goes. Yes, sir. Then?
And then if you want to activate the ADAS,
Yeah.
you'll have to access this.
Okay.
This will tell you the fuel info.
Okay.
Okay. This is the vehicle info.
Okay.
Tire pressure on that.
Pressure.
Navigation you can access it through here.
Okay.
This is ADAS.
Okay. Driver assist. Okay.
Right.
This is the setting.
In this you can turn it off and turn it on. Usually people keep it off.
Huh. It's off right now?
From here, no, it's off.
Yes. So it's off.
Off. Yes. Okay.
Driver assistance.
Okay.
Auto
But
emergency.
we don't need all that.
No. Only on the highway, mom. When
Sometimes if you want to feel the features, that's it. I'll turn it off right now.
yes,
The auto emergency braking,
No, it's inside.
it shows it right here.
Yes.
AEBS,
off.
the ADAS is off now.
Okay. Complete off. Okay.
And you can connect your phone through there.
Okay. Seeing. Okay. From here we'll connect the device. All right. Yeah. Give me your phone 1 minute. There it's connected. Correct.
Yes. This will connect the Apple CarPlay.
Connect. Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Very good. So now we'll just play songs and we have to play.
Songs, navigation, whatever you want to do it through it.
Okay.
And you can control the infotainment through this also.
Okay.
Up, down, home, modes, call, you can
Okay.
drop.
Wait, where's the modes? This the drive modes.
No, you don't got the drive.
Acha,
mode.
in this there's no drive modes.
Because it is ADAS.
Okay. All right. And this is not that. No, this is not
This
got
is
the
not the
wireless one. Okay. Anything else? I think is done. Enough. And how does all the lights come on of the car? Like together, there's one button, na?
Oh,
And
this
when is
is
the
the first
servicing
one.
due for this,
Okay.
the first service?
First service will be done at 1,000 kilometer. Second will be done at 10. Then
1,000 or 1 month, like that?
yes. 10 months or 10,000.
1 minute. The first one is 1,000 or 1 month?
or 1 month. Whatever comes first.
Second is 10,000 or 10 months. Chalo, good.
Anything else we need to know? The handbrakes and all okay? No.
This is
Yeah.
basic a manual one.
Manual.
So I've told them the basic features right now. Other than all the features, you'll get to learn with time.
Yeah, long.
Yeah.
What's important we need to fuel.
Yeah, fuel.
Where we can see fuel. How will you fill the fuel? From where? Down?
Yes.
The button is.
The fuel lid is automatic. Once
Acha, when
if
you
the car is unlocked, it is unlocked.
Unlock,
Just press it and it will open.
Okay.
Your cameras. There is a front camera as well.
Okay.
You've got front and rear
And
camera.
rear. I saw the rear. Yes.
So when we are parking, which camera we can use?
You'll have to switch it through here. This is the front camera.
This is the rear one.
This is
Yes.
the rear.
Yes. From here, you
360 degree, they don't have camera.
No, you don't have 360 in this.
Achha.
have to select from here. Where is closing?
Oh, that works with ADAS.
ADAS.
The
Okay,
front
okay.
camera works with ADAS.
Okay.
So that means we'll have to have a DAS to make it work.
No, it's not that way. The ADAS needs a camera in front to judge and
Okay,
calculate
okay.
everything.
Chalo, you kept to your word of holy.
I was trying to deliver it before.
Wait, I'm busy. I'll call you this stuff.
I know you're trying.
So finally, she's been brought home and well parked. And we filled about in this 5,500 rupees. The first fuel full power we filled petrol 5,500 bucks. So full tanky and 5,500 bucks power. So anyways, I hope you like this small little vlog from us. It's on Deanne's demand I did this. So I was not prepared, otherwise if she had told me earlier I would have prepared a little details about the car and all this thing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, subscribe, do the rituals, and see you in the next one. Cheers, boom.